systemic constellation and system sensing is a way of receiving more information than our cognitive rational can pick up, to then inform us with our ways moving forward, making decisions, taking actions, analyzing a situation from a broader perspective. It can be, on one hand, really help to address a conflict and really work through the deeper layers of it, which we could call helping to create the conditions so that healing or realignment can happen. It can help as a navigational tool to really orient what is the next step that we might need to be attentive to or take into account while we make decisions. And it can help us in really clarifying which decisions do we need to make. And so an example could be that you have a certain issue and the client comes with a certain issue, and it's a group facilitated process where we clarify what is really the essence here that we want to understand more fully. And systemic constellation is one of the ways where we drop through what we think we know to a level of what do we actually perceive through our wider ways of knowing, through our somatic experience, through our ability to intuit as a group, as a facilitated, mostly group process, but can also be one-on-one. And often, if we just open the space from an inquiry-based approach, then actually that what is needed to find health will show automatically. Because when you acknowledge a system and you acknowledge the parts that are part of it, then the natural tendency is that it wants to find again a healthy dynamic between them. So it's not about doing something, but actually creating the space to listen. And from that listening comes a humbleness, and from that humbleness comes a compassion. And from that compassion comes a sense of clarity of actually what is really now important as a next step.